Union transforms your computer into a complete live VJ software mixing studio with hundreds of real-time effects, live video inputs, audio-aware effects, and complete MIDI integration, just to name a few features. Union gives you the tools you need to create, mix, control, perform, and record cutting-edge visuals in real time. Here we are looking at the main interface in Union. The main interface gives you direct access to the most essential functions needed for real-time performance. The mixer. The main movie mixer allows you to trigger files to either movie module A or B, preview the video in each channel, and crossfade between the files. Video, audio, and image files can be used in either channel A or B and sent to your master output. The movie modules. Union has 2 individual movie modules for playback and mixing. Standard movie controls give you the control over the playback of your media. 8 individual loop cue points can be set for each video, sync playback and looping to a central BPM. You can also adjust the brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation within each module. Effects controls. You can assign any one of the hundreds of Union's built-in effects parameters, as well as free-frame effects, to any one of Union's 8 sliders or 8 knobs. Controllers can be assigned to MIDI, set to channel A or B, and assigned to an individual effects layer. Open the effects interface window to have complete access to each effect and its parameters, and to create and save your own effects presets. Effects can be assigned to any one of the 4 effects layers per channel, with an additional layer for 3D effects. Use the trigger function to trigger effects parameters. Trigger buttons can also be used with velocity-sensitive pads for expressive effects control. The clip bank. Media files can be added to the mixers instantly by triggering them in the clip bank with a MIDI device or by using the computer keyboard and a mouse. Individual clips or folders of clips can be added to the bank by selecting them in Union's built-in file browser. Union has 64 available clip banks that can be renamed and stored for instant access and organization. Layers. Union's Layers feature allows you to add up to 4 additional video layers to your output. Use the Layers controls to add or remove a file from the layer bank, adjust the opacity of the layers, change the blending mode, and layout. Masks. Video masks can be instantly added to either movie channel by clicking on the Add Mask button located above the clip bank. Use the Masks module for advanced mask control and functionality. Record. The record function provides a utility to record your video output and save it to a high-quality QuickTime movie file. Record settings can be specified in the record preferences. A BPM tap button allows you to tap a central BPM that is used with BPM sync in the movie modules, LFOs, text effects, and the automator. A master fade control gives you immediate control to the master output of Union. The waveform module. The waveform module provides controls for drawing the waveform of an audio input or audio file. The audio is configured using the sound input module, which can mix audio from a line input, sound file, and a rewire source. Video in module. Access to video inputs from a video digitizer card or FireWire video device is provided with the video input module. Multiple cameras can be accessed and mixed with your video decks and visualizers. Just as effects can be applied to video files, the same can be applied to a live camera feed using the effects knobs. The Captions module. The Captions panel provides controls for adding simple captions to your video. It can be used to display lyrics, messages, or run a constant stream of text or information. The Keying module. This module provides a chroma or luminance keying function that will make the selected color appear to be transparent, commonly known as the blue or green screen effect. Sound trigger. The sound trigger provides filters and peak detection that process audio files and inputs to create pulses and apply them to movie controls and effects. Using sound trigger, you can create a video show that is always in time with the music. Advanced modules. Union offers additional modules that can be accessed by using the Modules menu. The Automator module provides a set of tools for automating an entire performance. The Masks module is used to create transparent areas for each channel, as well as the final output. Use the Sound Input module for selecting, playing, and mixing sound from different sources. And the Text module can be used to place text over the master output of your video. Elements. Elements are plugins built to extend the capabilities of Union and can be developed by end users using Max MSP and our supplied software development kit. Elements integrate themselves into Union, extending the functionality and control of Union's main interface. They can be used to make custom effects, interface controls, and media sources to integrate into Union's output. To learn more about Union and the features it has to offer, visit lividinstruments.com.